Our mission is to develop highly efficient products which implement the needs of farmers. This is our shovel plow with powerful frame structures. It uses mold boards that are precisely designed to perform its workload, allowing the soil to spread out. Durable special steel-made frames allow our machines suitable in the rough soil. Our disc plow is the next generation of the plow for rice fields. It is excellent at cultivating deep and plowing up because the soil doesn't get together to a side. It can plow deeper than a general plow, so it is more effective at ventilation. This is our 3-step folder rotavator. Farmers can reduce the time and expense by using our ultra-wide rotavator, which covers 3.5 meters to 5.6 meters of land. Ungin machinery has other varieties of rotavators. Ungin machinery has been striving to develop agricultural machinery for tractors for about 20 years since its establishment in 1986. This is where we are developing and manufacturing our machinery. Our Ungin tractors are the tangible outcome of our endeavors and our research. Our factory's cutting-edge equipment help ensure efficient yet accurate product development. We are constantly working towards product innovation. Ungin machinery.